Boaters Net would like to offer a 2015 Rinker Model 246 Captiva Power boat for sale. The boat currently resides in Freeland, Michigan, and asking price is $50,000. The boat has a 300 horsepower engine with approximately 31 hours on it, cruising speed of 35 knots, maximum speed of 52 knots, holds 68 gallons of fuel and 20 gallons of water. The owner states the boat is in like new condition, has new batteries, a battery switch, trim tabs with indicators, 31 hours on it, has aluminum tandem axle trailer, bimini top, cockpit cover, and a porta-john. For more information and pictures or to contact the owner, visit boatersnet.net.